Hi, cordial greetings to all. A brief description of the proposed innovation. This technological innovation will allow us more efficient in each process, optimizing the information and ensuring that each process is carried out with precision, speed, and security by applying each appropriate method. How are you protecting the IP generated from the proposed innovation? The innovation will be duly protect. The brand and design are registered and protection of intellectual property. How are you evaluating the proposed? Create a sustainable, profitable, and effective business model by innovating will process that allow better optimization of information, facilitating work in different areas, allowing logarithm the brand processing and technological market, achieving 75% of the planning objectives. Under which condition are you going to commercialize the value proposed? The beginning of the license is subject to the disbursement of 50% of the total value. The duration of the project is 5 years. The cost generated by the transfer of technology and parts will be assumed by the licensor. The value to pay for the license is 150 millions. The amount to be paid for the license is assumed by the license within a period of 12 months through semi-annual payments corresponding to 50%. The licensor offers a non-exclusive license exception. Thanks for watching. Bye.